let's say you have some pages you built in our system, for example, this one here, and then let's say you have a landing page that you've added some videos to, and you want your entire team to use these same pages. Well, if you notice, when you build a page in our system, we give you a code right next to each page. And what that does is it allows you to copy that and give your member, okay, if they join the Conversion Pros, all you do is hand them this code. Let me show you how easy it is to use the same pages as you. They would go in their back office, click on Create a Page, use Share Code, and they would simply copy and paste the code that you gave it to them. And then they could edit it right away, and there it is. And if they want to edit anything on here, change where the form goes, they can. Let's do the coffee page real quick just to show you one more time how easy that is. Let me just grab one here. So I would go to the code itself right here, hit copy, go to create a page. You would just give them this code. They would go in your back office, they would copy and paste it, they'd hit save, and then they can immediately edit it. They can change the text. So let's say they wanted to make this text green instead of white. They can come in here and make it green. Just like that. If they want to change what it says, they can. They could add their link to sign up. They could add their phone numbers. They could change the linking on the buttons. They could add their pictures, all that kind of stuff. But the main site that you built will already be done. You just hand them a little code and they copy and paste it and the pages are automatically built. Now let's look at Autoresponder. Let's say you built a autoresponder and you want your team to use it. They would just go to create a new campaign. I'm just going to say Team AR. And then they would just paste in the code that you gave them. So I'm going to click Save. Whoop. They're just going to copy the code in that you gave them, hit Save. And it'll say Save Successful. And then they can edit. And look, it copied all the messages already in their back office. All they would have to do is click on Edit, and they can add their websites in. They could add their name and phone number. But we also have tags. So these tags will automatically fill in a lot of things for you. And we have a custom tag builder that you can make. So they literally can just copy all the autoresponders in, connect them to the page, and everything's done by share code. So it's very easy to mass duplicate your capture pages, your landing pages, and your autoresponders and the Conversion Pros. We give you everything so you can mass duplicate yourself and your efforts throughout an entire team.